Right. The SLR cut. This is the second time that RBI actually cut the SLR, and in my view, it is partly a way that the RBI allow more money or more liquidity into the private sector debt market, taking it out of the SLR. SLR is basically what banks are supposed to hold in government bonds as part of their reserves. So that has been lowered by 1 percentage points over two policy meetings, and I think that allows some cash into the private sector debt market. Well, right now it is like 61 or thereabout, and for me, I think the range has been around about 60.5 to 61.5. 62, I think, is still seen as a very strong floor. And if you remember, before the election, Raghuram Rajan actually said that the kind of range that he would be happy with for the rupee would be 62 to 58. And that has been pretty much the range since April. Now, you mentioned the dollar strength. Yes, I do anticipate dollar to remain strong for much of this year, in particular later this year. So we could see the 62 being tested. But meanwhile, I think the kind of range that we have seen so far has been pretty decent. The RBI is pretty happy with this kind of range, I would think. I think rate cut would be a necessary condition, but not a sufficient condition in itself for growth to accelerate. Basically, the rate cut would be sort of to accompany other policy measures like reform, and then you definitely get growth. I think so far the Narendra Modi government has sort of disappointed the market in that the expectation was high. As of now, at least through the budget, there wasn't very many new initiative, and the budget also didn't provide any clear direction insofar as fiscal consolidation is concerned. So I think there's still a lot of factors that the market is looking out for, and beyond that, obviously, for growth we need clearer approval channels and rationalization of subsidies. I think those would be key measures. And to complement that, if you get rate cuts, then it'll be a necessary condition and sufficient condition for growth. In itself, not, but with reform, definitely yes.